In this video, we are going to talk about how to become a Bitcoin millionaire. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The meteoric growth of Bitcoin, particularly in 2020 and early 2021, has dramatically altered investors' perceptions on cryptocurrencies. Despite its flaws, Bitcoin has shown to be a profitable financial instrument for both short and long-term investors. Even if you don't plan to invest, Bitcoin provides a number of ways to make a lot of money. Most investors use Bitcoin holdings as one of their tactics for making millions from cryptocurrencies. It is, however, only ideal for long-term investors seeking to profit handsomely as Bitcoin's value rises over time. The electronic currency Bitcoin was introduced in 2009 and is exchanged over its own payment network. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that may be held in a virtual wallet and is described as a decentralized, peer-to-peer money that uses encryption to facilitate currency generation and transactions. For running a proof-of-work system, computers known as miners get transaction fees and free Bitcoins in exchange for preventing double spending. Sign up with Coinbase to get started if you're just looking for a way to invest in Bitcoins. Do you take Bitcoins? Bitcoin is essentially a geek speculative vehicle. Basically, don't expect to pay for a meal with Bitcoins if you eat out. You could buy illegal narcotics with dollars not long ago, but the FBI shut down Silk Road earlier this year, which allowed users to buy illegal drugs anonymously. Bitcoin has been adopted by several legitimate businesses, allowing users to buy actual goods and services with the digital currency. The Virgin Group's Richard Branson has even chosen to accept Bitcoins through his Virgin Galactic spaceflight company. You can buy Reddit Gold with Bitcoin on Reddit. Yes, Bitcoins cannot be used to purchase everyday items, but they may be used to purchase a trip to space. While several daily merchants have looked at accepting Bitcoins, speculators, rather than early adopters, have driven the currency's demand. You'll need a Bitcoin wallet like Coinbase if you want to use Bitcoin to pay for things. It's a simple website/app that allows you to safely store and sell your Bitcoins. Using Bitcoins in everyday life would be exceedingly risky anyway, given the enormous volatility. Last month, buying a $1,000 television may have cost up to 10 Bitcoins, but now it only costs 1 Bitcoin. With such volatility, any major Bitcoin business is likely to end in one party losing a significant amount of money. As a result, the cryptocurrency is currently merely a vehicle for speculation. Coinbase is a popular Bitcoin exchange that allows you to purchase and sell Bitcoins whenever you want. You create an account, deposit real money, and swap the currency for a modest cost. Bitcoin's bullish history. Let's start with a look at the pricing history. According to Bitstamp, the market valuation of Bitcoin is currently above $12 million, with over 12 million Bitcoins in circulation. Until 2013, Bitcoins could be had for less than $10 or a little more. Bitcoins seemed to keep increasing in value from the beginning of the year until April 9, when they peaked at far over $200. Bitcoins had lost nearly half their value by April 16. Bitcoins have made an incredible comeback since April. According to Bitstamp, Bitcoin's price did not hit its previous high until November of this year. Bitcoins, on the other hand, soared to well over $1,000 per coin in the same month. They appear to be fluctuating right now. All of this is, of course, theoretical. You may make all the forecasts you want, but no one knows what Bitcoin's future contains. Is Bitcoin just a passing trend, or might it become a viable medium of exchange? Would the government not just outlaw it if it became popular? Only time will tell, but let's speculate for now. Bitcoin's price has above $18,000 as of December 2017. Some people have profited millions or billions of dollars by investing in Bitcoin. There have also been hard forks, or splits, into items like Bitcoin Cash, which have increased people's profits. How to make $1 million with Bitcoins? There are two options available to you: mine or trade. You can basically make money for nothing by mining for Bitcoins as long as the markets are functioning. However, mining is now such a difficult job that it is hardly worth it. Making your PC a miner will most likely make it loud and hot. It would most certainly take a long time to mine a single Bitcoin, during which time you would have likely spent more money on electricity. If you have access to a lot of processing power and don't have any bills to pay, you could make some quick cash here. Trading Bitcoins on the most well-known exchanges, such as Coinbase, is a more feasible approach of generating $1 million. You could have purchased Bitcoins for $10 in 2011. Selling them now for $1,000 would have netted you $990 each Bitcoin. Essentially, you should have purchased 1,000 Bitcoins when they were still inexpensive. This would have cost you roughly $10,000 in 2011, but you would now be a millionaire. Making $1 million with Bitcoins is still achievable today, but you'll need some cash. Bitcoins can change by hundreds of percent every day. On May 22, 2017 the price jumped up 10%. It's hazardous to day trade Bitcoins, but where there's volatility, there's opportunity. Otherwise, you'll have to decide whether or not you think Bitcoin will be successful over the long term. If you believe that foreign exchange dealers, market makers, and institutions will trade Bitcoin in the future, you might consider going long. Buying now would be extremely dangerous. The price chart screams bubble, but the timing of your entry is entirely up to you. However, don't expect to see more of the same rapid development in the near future. On the other side, if you are convinced that Bitcoin will crash, you should short the cryptocurrency in whatever way you can. Even though this would be a highly dangerous venture, if the Bitcoin market is doomed to fail, why not profit when the bubble bursts? You'll either have to get inventive or join an exchange that allows you to short Bitcoin. Other ways to invest in Bitcoin. It's crucial to keep in mind that Bitcoin is a money, not a stock or a bond. As a result, investment in it is similar to investing in a currency. You're essentially expecting that the value of Bitcoin rises in relation to your home currency. Getting a Bitcoin wallet and purchasing Bitcoins is the simplest way to invest in Bitcoin. For US investors, we recommend Coinbase because it is the simplest, connects to your bank account, and allows you to purchase and sell Bitcoins. Coinbase will also give you a $10 bonus if you buy $100 in Bitcoins. That's fantastic. Check out the GBTC at Stockpile if you wish to invest in an ETF through your broker. You can invest in fractional shares of this ETF, which tracks Bitcoin. Get $5 for free when you sign up for Stockpile. Begin here. Keep in mind that you might also invest in Litecoin or Ethereum. But what if I'm sane? Bitcoins are unlikely to excite you if you are a rational person. The risk/reward profile of the Bitcoin market is unlikely to appeal to a sensible investor. This is merely an opportunity to earn a quick cash or to lose everything. Bitcoins may certainly take off in the real world in the future, but what's to say that another cryptocurrency may emerge and defeat Bitcoin, especially if it's better? To summarize, if you want to be a Bitcoin millionaire, you need to take over someone else's hardware and mine for a long time, and cash out before you get penalized or arrested. If that fails, you'll have to either day trade Bitcoins to profit from short-term price fluctuation, or take a highly hazardous long or short bet on the Bitcoin's long-term success or destruction. If the so-called Bitcoin bubble is going to burst, you might be able to profit on the downside in the near run by shorting. If you're sensible, however, it's usually best to just sit back and let the chaos occur. Which thing do you like from above? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.